Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add audio in your Google slide. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Google slide, and I am going to add audio file in Google slide. So first you have to open Google slide, and here then go to the drive with the same email ID. I have same email ID in Google slide and drive. So here you have to upload a audio. Okay, so you can upload audio from here. Go upload, go to the upload, files, and from here you can upload the your audio from your device. So in video, in music, so I have some music sample here. You can also record audio online tools called online voicerecorder.com, and here you can record your own voice. Okay, so this is recording now. So after recording, just stop it. Now you can save your file to your computer. So it is saved now. Now go to the Google Drive. Okay, upload the file from downloads, or okay, so here just open the file where it's saved. I don't know. Okay, it's saved in downloads. Just drag it to Google Drive, so it will be upload. Yeah, it is upload now. Okay, so this is my file. Just refresh. Okay, video. Okay, where is the file? Okay, this is a file. So now go to the Google slide and select the slide where you want to add the audio. Now go to the insert and go to the audio. In audio you will find the your audio file, or you will find all audio file of your Google Drive. So I have only one which I just uploaded. I will just select and just have to insert. Okay, so here the audio icon has been insert, and I can move whatever I want to put it. Okay, I want to put here, and this is person people can play the audio on slide. Okay, so when you click on it, you can minimize size, you can move whatever you want. When you click on it, there is a left right side, you will have option called adjustment anything. Okay, you can adjust the transparency, anything you can do it here. Okay, so you can also set automatic play. When a person come in this slide, it will be automatically play. Okay, you can set the loop audio and everything. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.